children. I hope you all are keeping well during this uncertain time. So, today I am going to teach you about unit number 11, the ways of making work easier. So, children, let's begin our lesson. Children, we can make our work easier by working systematically. That means, Puta, if you work according to the plan, our work will be easier. අපේ වැඩේ ලේසි වෙනවා අපි plan එකකට වැඩ කරොත්. So and also if we work as a team, we work as a team is very effective. That means if you work as a team, your work will be successful. වැඩේ සාර්ථක වෙනවා. So if you work according to the plan, your work will become easier, and also if you work as a team, your work will be successful. So in the past people, අතීතයේ මිනිස්සු they were used many methods to do their work easier. So they were used animals to do their work. So we will discuss about what are the instances people were used animals to make the work easier. Instances mean siddhi. Okay. First we will see what are the animals they were used to do their work easier. Elephant, cattle, horses, donkey and camel. These are the animals. So elephants were used for dragging logs, for uprooting trees, and also the elephants were used in battle as well. So elephants were used for dragging logs, for uprooting trees, and also they were used in battle. Battle means satan walata. So next one, cattle were used for pulling carts with heavy loads. බරට බඩු දාගෙන ඇදගෙන යන්න කරත්ත ඇදගෙන යන්න පාවිච්චි කරලා තියෙනවා. And also they were used for ploughing field. කුඹුර සීසාන්න. Next one. Here, camel and donkey both were used for transportation and also for carrying heavy loads. බරට බඩු දාගෙන ඇදගෙන යන්න කරත්ත වගේ දේවල් ඇදගෙන යන්න, and also for transportation ගමනාගමනයට. The other one, Puta, horses were used for pulling carts, for carrying heavy loads, and also they were used in battles. සටන් වලටත් පාවිච්චි කරලා තියෙනවා. So now again tell me, elephants were used for dragging logs and for uprooting trees, and also they were used in battle. Cattle were used for pulling carts with heavy loads and also for ploughing field. Camel and donkey both were used for carrying heavy loads and also for transportation. Horses were used for pulling carts, for carrying heavy loads, and also they were used in battle as well. Okay. Putte, but today it has changed. The many of the activities which were done by animals are being done by machines and vehicles in today. අද එක වෙනස් වෙලා තියෙනවා. Many of the activities which were done by animals, මේ සත්තුන් කරපු වැඩ ටික are being done by vehicles and machines today. අද කරන්නේ ඒ කටයුතු ටිකම vehicles and machines. Okay, let's move here. For ploughing field, we used tractor. For transportation, we use vehicles such as train, buses, and also for carrying heavy loads, we use lorry, containers. Simple tools. Next, we are going to talk about simple tools. Sarala upakarana, simple tools. Okay, say with me these list of tools. Knife, spoon, scissor, crowbar, sickle, torch, comb, hammer, rake, saw, nutcracker, lid opener, winnowing fan, mammoty, axe, shovel and coconut scraper. So, knife. Knife is used for cutting meats, chopping vegetables and also we use knife for preparing fruits for fruit salads. Spoon. Spoon is used for eating liquids such as soup and also for eating ice cream and also spoons are used in food preparation and mixing. Scissor. Scissor is used for cutting thin material. Thin කියන්නේ පුතේ ලොකු හොඳ මහතනේ පොඩි පුංචි සීනිදු දේවල්. For cutting thin materials such as cloth, paper, cardboard, like these things, and also rope. Crowbar. Next one, crowbar. Crowbar is used for digging pits, walawal haranna, and also crowbar is a agriculture tool we used for digging pits. And also we use crowbar to remove stones. ගලක් අපිට තැනකින් තව තැනකට ගෙනිය ගන්න ඕන ලොකු කළු ගලක් වගේ දෙයක් we use crowbar to remove stones one place to another place. Sickle. Sickle is used for harvesting cereal crops. ධාන්‍ය වර්ග තියෙන crops ඒවා අපි harvest කරන්න අස්සන නෙලා ගන්න we use sickle. Torch. Torch provide us light in the darkness. Light in the darkness. අපිට torch එක දෙනවා ආලෝකයක් කරවල වෙලාවට. So, comb. Comb is using for managing hair. අපේ කොණ්ඩේ අපිට හසුරව ගන්න. Managing hair. And also, comb is help to improve blood circulation. අපේ රුධිර සංසරණය මොළයට ගමන් කරන රුධිරය සංසරණය වැඩි කරන්න improve කරන්න comb අපිට උදව් වෙනවා. And also comb help to prevent dryness of the hair. කොණ්ඩේ තියෙන dry කියන්නේ වියලි ගතිය මග හරවන්නේ. Okay, if you comb your hair daily, it's very helpful your hair to manage it. So next one, hammer. Hammer is used for driving or removing nails. ඇණයක් ගැසීමට හෝ ඇණයක් ගැලවීමට. Rake. Rake is used for pulling weeds and also pulling dead plants, මැරිච්ච plants තියෙනවා නම් ඒවා ඇදලා ගන්න and also pulling leaves. කොළ ඇදලා ගන්න in the compound. Saw is used for cutting wood. Saw is used for cutting wood. Nutcracker. Nutcracker is a tool used to open nuts by cracking shell. Shell එක crack කරලා nut එක එළියට ගන්න. අපි උදව් ගන්නේ මොකක්ද? Nutcracker. Lid opener. Lid opener is a kitchen tool we use to open lids in bottles. So winnowing fan, cooler. Winnowing fan we used for separating husk from the grain. We attain පොත්ත වෙන් කරලා ගන්න අපි උදව් වෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? Winnowing fan. Mammoty. Mammoty is used for digging pits and also for weeding and also arranging plots. අපි පාවිච්චි කරනවා. So next one, axe. Axe is used for chopping wood. Shovel. Shovel is used for removing sand and also gravels, and also shovel is ideal for loading things to the wheelbarrow. Next one, coconut scraper. Coconut scraper is used for grating coconuts. So now again tell me, these are the few simple tools. I gave only few, but there are lots of simple tools have. So say with me, what are the simple tools? Knife, spoon, scissor, crowbar, sickle, torch, comb, hammer, rake, saw, nutcracker, lid opener, winnowing fan, mammoty, axe, shovel, coconut scraper. Okay? At least you have to keep in your mind 5 simple tools. Tools that we use in masonry. Tools that we used in masonry. So what are the tools? Trowel. This is a trowel, and also plumb. Leveling bar. Leveling bar. Wheelbarrow, mammoty, leveler, and shovel. These are the tools we use. These are the tools that we use in masonry. So what? Now tell me, trowel. Trowel is used for applying mortar. Applying mortar. Applying mortar. Plumb is used for. Plumb එක use කරනවා පුතේ for checking vertical level. Vertical level means සිරස් අතට සිරස් ආකාරයට තියෙන level එක check කරන්න අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ plumb. Leveling bar is used for to remove extra mortar on the wall. වැඩිපුර තියෙන සිමෙන්ට් බදාම ප්‍රමාණය අයින් කරන්න අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ leveling bar. And also wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow is used for carrying bricks, stones, and also for carrying sand, like these things. So, and also we use wheelbarrow in construction sites. ඉදිකිරීම් ශ්‍රේෂ්ඨයේදී අපි පාවිච්චි ගන්නවා wheelbarrow එක. Mammoty is, I told you, mammoty is used for weeding, උදළුගාන, and also for arranging plot, for digging pits, වලවල් හරන වගේ දේවල් වලට ගන්නවා. Leveler is used for to check horizontal level. Horizontal level means තිරස් අතට තියෙන level එක check කරන්න, to check horizontal level. And the other one, shovel. I told you shovel used for removing brick, for removing sand, brick, and also it's ideal for the loading things to the wheelbarrow. Okay. Now again tell me what are the tools that we use in masonry. Trowel, plumb, leveling bar, wheelbarrow, mammoty, leveler, and shovel. Again tell me, trowel, plumb, leveling bar, wheelbarrow, mammoty, leveler, shovel. Okay, next moving to the other one. Tools that we use in carpentry. Tools that we use in carpentry. Carpentry is making or repairing wooden equipments. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි carpentry එකේ කරන්නේ making or හදනවා හරි එහෙම නැත්නම් repair කරනවා in wooden equipments. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ දැව වලින් හදන උපකරණ. Okay, done by carpenter. කවුද ඒ දේවල් සිද්ධ කරන්නේ? Carpenter. So these are the tools. Plane, hammer, rake, chisel, saw, and drill. Now again tell me, plane, hammer, tape, chisel, saw, drill. Plane is used for smoothing. Plane is used for smoothing wooden thing. Smoothing. කියන්නේ වැඩිපුර තියෙන මොන හරි තියෙනවා නම් wooden thing වල ඒවා smooth කරන්න, සිනිඳු කරන්න. So hammer is used for driving or removing nails. Tape is used for measuring. Chisel is used for making or creating hole on the wooden surface. And also saw is used for cutting wooden things. That means wooden materials. Drill is used for making round hole, for making round hole in wooden things, wooden material or on the wall. එහෙම නැත්නම් wall එකක හරි එහෙම නැත්නම් wooden material එක හරි we use drill to create holes. So now again tell me what are the tools that we use in carpentry. Plane, hammer, tape, chisel, saw, drill. Next one. Tools that we used for agriculture. Agriculture mean puta. That means for farming or for farming or planting or growing crops for food. ආහාරය සඳහා crops and also for rearing animals. These are agriculture work. So what are the tools that we used in agriculture? කෘෂි කර්මාන්තයේදී මොනවද අපි පාවිච්චි කරන tools? Mammoty, sickle, rake, watering can, plough, shovel, garden trowel, pitchfork. Mammoty. I told you mammoty is used for removing weeding තනකොළ ගලවන්න, and also preparing plots for gardening, and the other one we used for digging pits. So sickle is used for harvesting cereal crops. Rake is used for pulling weeds, dead plants, and also pulling leaves in the compound. Watering can is used for watering to the plants. Plough is used for ploughing field. Kumbura seesanna. Shovel. Next one, gardening trowel. This is a gardening trowel. Gardening trowel we used to create small holes for planting. Punchi walawal hara ganna ඕන නම් අපි ගන්නේ planting වලට පැල හිටවද්දී අපි we use gardening trowel. And also pitchfork we used පුතා. Pitchfork we used for losing and also turning or lifting soil in the compound. පස බුරුල් කර ගැනීමට පස එළියට ගැනීමට ඔසවා ගැනීමට එහෙම නැත්නම් පස ආපහු පෙරලීමට වගේ දේවල් වලට. So we used pitchfork. Now again tell me what are the tools that we used in agriculture? Mammoti, sickle, rake, watering can, plough, shovel, garden trowel and pitchfork. These are the tools we used in agriculture. So tools that we make our technical work easier. අපේ technical work easier කරන්න අපි ගන්න tools ටික. These are the tools පුතේ. Tester, screwdrivers, pliers, spanner, wrench and file. Again tell me. Tester, screwdrivers, pliers, spanner, wrench and file. Tester is used to check the availability of electricity. Electricity එක තියෙනවද නැද්ද කියලා check කරගන්න අපි use කරනවා tester එක. Screwdrivers are used for driving or removing screws. ඒ කියන්නේ තද කිරීමට හෝ බුරුල් කිරීමට screw එකක් තද කිරීමට හෝ බුරුල් කිරීමට we use screwdrivers. For pliers, this is this one. Pliers is used for puta for cut the cables or bend the cables. To cut cables or bend cables. Spanner is used for tight or loosening nuts and bolts. Bolts කියන්නේ පුතේ අපි කියනවා අර බස් වල තියෙනවා ලොකු බෝල් ඇණය කියලා කියනවා. අර කොටු ලොකු ඇණය ඒකට. Spanner is used for spanner is used to tight or loose nuts and bolts. Wrench. This is a wrench. Wrench is used for gripping or loosening things. Gripping කියන්නේ පුතේ තද කරලා අල්ල ගන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් for gripping or loosening things. Loosening nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts එකපාරට තද කරලා අල්ල ගන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් loose කරන්න අපි පාවිච්චි කරනවා wrench එක. So next one, file. File is used for smoothing or sharpening hard materials. Smoothing or sharpening hard materials. Wooden hari මොන හරි දේවල් smoothing or sharpening. Smooth කරන සිනිදු කරන නැත්නම් sharp කරන්න we use these file for use this work. So now again tell me what are the tools that we use make our technical work easier. What are the tools? Tester, screwdrivers, pliers, spanner, wrench and file. Okay. These are not the technical tools, but for your knowledge, I will a little bit explain about what is the task of these tools. Chisel is a carpentry tool, puta. So this chisel we use to create holes on the wooden surface. Deva matuputaka apata holes ඇති කරගන්න ඕන නම් සිදුරු ඇති කරගන්න ඕන we use chisel. Pincer is used for gripping and pulling things. තද කරලා අල්ලගෙන මෙන්න pins එක තද කරලා අල්ලගෙන for pulling things. දෙයක් තද කරලා අල්ල ගන්න. ඒ වගේම pulling things නැවත ඇදලා ගන්නත් උදව් වෙනවා. So hammer. Hammer is used for driving or removing nails. ඇණයක් ගැසීමට හෝ ඇණයක් ගැලවීමට. Ball hammer. Ball hammer used for to break stones into the tiny pieces. ලොකු ගල් තියෙන ඒවා ball hammer එක use කරනවා ලොකු ගලක් පොඩි පොඩි කෑලි වලට කඩා ගන්න. To break stones into the tiny pieces. So these are the these tools for general knowledge. Okay, now again tell me Putta, before I finish the lesson I will ask you, what are the tools that we make our technical work easier? What are the technical tools? Tester, okay children, now I am going to finish the lesson. Before I finish the lesson, again I will ask about these tools. What are the tools that we use to make our technical work easier? What are the tools? Tell me. Tester, screwdrivers, pliers, spanner, wrench and file. Again tell me. Tester, screwdrivers, pliers, spanner, wrench and file. Okay. The next one. What are the tools that we use in agriculture? I told you agriculture means for farming, for planting or growing crops for foods and also for rearing animals. These tools we used in agriculture. What are the tools? Mammoty, sickle, rake, watering can, plough, shovel, garden trowel and pitchfork. Now again look at this one Putte. Mammoty, sickle, rake, watering can, plough, shovel, garden trowel and pitchfork. These tools that we used in agriculture. අපි agriculture එකට පාවිච්චි කරන tools ටික තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. So next one, tools that we use in carpentry. I told you carpentry mean Putta, carpentry is in carpentry for making or repairing wooden equipments done by carpenters. Carpenters තමයි කරන්නේ for making or repairing wooden equipments. So what are the tools that we use in carpentry? Plane, okay. The next one, hammer, tape, chisel, saw and also drill. These are the tools. Now again tell me, මාත් එක්කම කියන්න, say with me. Plane, hammer, tape, chisel, saw, drill. Again say plane, hammer, tape, chisel, saw, drill. Tools that we use in masonry. What are the tools? Trowel, plumb, leveling bar, wheelbarrow, mammoty mean udalla, leveler and shovel. What are the tools? Now again tell me, say with me. Trowel, plumb, leveling bar, wheelbarrow, mammoty, leveler, shovel. Plumb is used for checking vertical level. Leveler is used for checking horizontal level. Simple tools. These are the simple tools. So what are the simple tools, Putta? Knife, spoon, scissor, crowbar, sickle, torch, comb, hammer, rake, saw, nutcracker, lid opener, winnowing fan, mammoty, axe, shovel and coconut scraper. Okay. What are the instances? Siddhi, people were used animals to make the work easier. Okay. What are the instances? Monavada Siddhi, in the past people, they were used animals to make their work easier. Elephants for dragging logs and for uprooting trees, and also they were used in battles. Next one, cattle used for pulling carts and for ploughing field. Horses used for pulling carts, for carrying heavy things, heavy loads, and also they also used in battles. Camel and donkey, both were used for carrying heavy loads and for transportation. Okay, this one, how to use tools with care. How to use tools with care. අපි කොහොමද මේ tools හොඳට පරිස්සමට පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ? How to use. පුතේ, the first one පුතේ, we must clean the tools properly after use them. පාවිච්චි කරාට පස්සේ we must clean the tools. අපි clean tools හොඳට we must clean the tools. Tools හොඳට clean කරන්න ඕනේ after use them. And also after using පාවිච්චි කරාට පසුව we must keep them in a proper place. මේ වගේ එක tool box එකක හරි මොකක් හරි you have to put the tools in a proper place. Don't keep here and there. Especially පුතේ tools like knife, scissor, mamotti, okay, the sharpening tools. That means with the knife, scissor, mamotti. These tools පුතේ may cause injuries. තුවාල සිද්ධ කරන්න පුළුවන්. So we must keep these tools away from children. ළමයිට අහු වෙන්නේ නැති වෙන්න අපි තියන්න ඕනේ. Did you understand? And the other one පුතේ, never run with scissor in hand. කවදාවත් scissor එකක් අතේ තියාගෙන දුවන්න එපා. And also never run in scissor or knife with hand. අතේ තියාගෙන දුවන්නේ නැහැ. And the other one, okay? When you carry in a knife එකක් අරගෙන යනවා නම් you always hold the knife, the point of the knife downwards. පල්ලෙහාට අරන් යන්නේ. මේක knife එක නම් තුඩ කොටස කොහෙටද ගෙනියන්නේ අපි පල්ලෙහාට. Always hold the knife to the downwards. And the other one, when you carry a knife, so always hold the knife, always hold the knife, the point of the knife, as example, if you think this is a knife, the point of the knife එකේ තුඩ කොටස always hold it downwards. පල්ලෙහාට තමයි අපි අල්ලන්න ඕනි. So the other one, when you pick in the knife, so you have to pick it with handle. Okay? Handle එකෙන් අල්ලන්නේ. නැතුව තුඩ පැත්තෙන් නෙමෙයි. So these are the things. So පුතා, now I am going to finish the lesson. So if you have any corrections, please talk to me. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.